Best deals. These storage boxes for clothes are the perfect way to store not just those expensive contained saris, shirts, pants, undergarments, comforters, blankets, pillows, plush toys, jacket or other iron clothes without squeezing. Also, wardrobe organizer boxes are multi-purpose for seasonal clothing. 1. Closet organizers. Foldable storage box for clothes is made of Oxford fabric cloth. The appearance is transparent and visually pleasing, and it provides an elegant storage solution for your wardrobe needs. The steel frame supports the fabric and keeps the bags strong. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Foldable cupboard storage box. Built with high-quality, odorless non-woven fabric and sturdy cardboard, this clothes organizer for wardrobe maintains its structure and resists wear, ensuring durability in any storage box for wardrobe. This organizer's storage box for clothes keeps your cupboard and drawers tidy, making it easy to find all your essentials. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Transparent bag. Equipped with reinforced handles for easy portability, these bags allow for effortless movement. Whether stored in closets, cabinets, or shelves, the compact and user-friendly design ensures easy handling. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Under bed storage containers. Designed to be stackable, it helps to maximize vertical space and create a more organized storage system, especially in situations where you have limited horizontal space available. Compact and lightweight, providing enough storage space. The closet organizer made of premium plastic. Under the bed clothes storage is odorless, waterproof, durable and stackable, keeping clothing fresh from long-term storage. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Shoe storage bag. Crafted with high-quality, breathable materials, our shoe boxes are not only sturdy but also foldable for convenient storage when not in use. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Under bed storage bag. Suitable to keep shoes, cloth, towel, shirts, also great solution for boots, t-shirts, bags, hats, belts, and shawls. When partitions are completely removed, you get a large storage box for bulkier items. Bags are easy to assemble and collapse, making them perfect for on-the-go use or seasonal storage. Crafted with high-quality, breathable materials, our shoe boxes are not only sturdy but also foldable for convenient storage when not in use. It's compact and offers versatility. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Closet organizers. These lightweight, collapsible non-woven fabric storage boxes offer ample room to organize clothes, socks, bras, ties, scarves, and toys, providing a comprehensive storage solution for your needs. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Plastic organizer drawers. Can be used to organize a variety of items, such as clothes, shoes, toys, or household items. This can help to keep your home or office more clutter-free and make it easier to find what you need. Plastic storage box for clothes units are lightweight and easy to move, making them a great option. Product link is given in the eighth link. 9. Shirt stacker. Organize and store all your shirts and clothes neatly and systematically. Product link is given in the ninth link. 10. Foldable storage bin. Each cube storage bin's basket provides a collapsible design. Simply fold the cube down flat for space-saving storage when not in use or when needing to transport. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Organizer. With the two handles on both sides, easy to move and take away, with foldable design, can be easily folded for space-saving storage when not in use or when needing to move house. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Organizer box. This storage box comes with high-quality cardboard, allow it to keep the structure rigid. This is absolutely a perfect way to arrange and maximize your closet. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Organizer box with lid. Sides and lid reinforced with thick supporting cardboard, allows the bins to retain their shape for long-lasting use. The collapsible design of these fabric storage organizers makes it easy for you to assemble. Simply pop open, place the bottom inside and then you've done. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Organizers. Built with high-quality, odorless non-woven fabric and sturdy cardboard. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Clothes Organizer. Storage box uses an integrated stainless steel frame and reinforced MDF bottom plate, which is more durable. Store on shelves, closets, garage, basement, attic. The two-way zipper opens and closes smoothly and quickly every time. Both sides of the storage bag reinforced the handle for easy movement. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Nylon storage bags. Made from dust-proof, moisture-resistant, and mildew-resistant material, these bags ensure your belongings are safeguarded for extended periods, keeping them clean and damage-free. Featuring a foldable and stackable design, these bags maximize vertical storage space, making them ideal for small homes, apartments, or storage in beds, closets, wardrobes, and cabinets. Equipped with sturdy dual handles for easy portability. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Storage box for tiny clothes. The lids can keep your items clean and find what inside quickly. Apply to all places in the house: bedroom, laundry, wardrobe or drawers. Dustproof and waterproof, can well protect your items from moths, damp, mildew and dust. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Cupboard. Stylish double-door cabinet designed to elevate your living space. Features a lightweight design with knockdown construction for added robustness. Equipped with a safety lock and tower bolt for protection. Includes 4 spacious shelves to meet all your storage needs, designed for quick and hassle-free assembly, making setup a breeze. Made from high-quality plastic, ensuring durability and longevity. Plastic cupboards are resistant to wear and tear, and are more durable than wooden cupboards. The product requires basic assembly and comes with assembly instructions. This organizing cabinet is manufactured using safe and non-toxic virgin plastic material that offers a sturdy construction. The cabinet is made larger and heavier to ensure high load-bearing capacity. It can accommodate multiple items without any inconvenience. This large cabinet is ergonomically designed to offer ample storage space. It features multiple racks for organizing all your essentials with ease. It is perfect for any room as it offers a neat and tidy look. The storage cabinet features sophisticated and minimal aesthetics that offer an elegant appeal. It can easily complement the decor of any living room, study room, bedroom, office room, and more. This plastic cabinet is extremely easy to maintain. It can be wiped clean using a damp cloth. The structure is extremely durable, and it is lighter. This makes it easily portable. This plastic cabinet can be quickly assembled in a few steps. It provides a durable and sturdy structure that helps the user in safekeeping and organizing multiple essentials with ease. The Space Organizer offers a convenient solution for sorting out your essentials and extras. It has dual shelves that offer ample space for storing all your valuables. This compact cabinet has a minimal design with sophisticated aesthetics. It perfectly matches with the interior decor of any room. It adds an elegant and modern appeal to your interiors. Product link is given in the 18th link.